Now that we've covered how to create a blank presentation, we're going to close this file and I'm going to show you how to create a presentation based off a template. So we're going to close this off, and if you notice your file is still saved on the desktop, we're going to open up PowerPoint again. And as you can see, there are templates available to you in order for you to select for your presentation. Different types of presentation templates exist in PowerPoint, so you don't have to work too hard to create something beautiful. It's already done for you. So you can search for business type of presentations, and there's thousands of presentations you can choose from. As you can see here, you have pharmacy if you're into pharmacy. You could do a marketing presentation, and that will show you different types of layouts and colors. But we're going to go back. Let's do education, for example. PowerPoint has templates for every single type of suggested search that you would like, whether it's for an educator or for work or for something that's a creative project. It could be even something personal. And personal presentations are amazing because it allows you to show your creativity. So we're just going to pick something in personal and show you how you can change the presentation to fit your needs. So I'm going to click Jigsaw Design Slides. And if you could see here, the background and the artwork is already available to you. So with any presentation, you can move things around. So I'm going to move our title to the top. I'm going to type in Company A. And you have a subtitle right below it. So I'm going to change the size of this and add my name as Jane Doe. And I'm going to move this to the bottom. This is my presentation. Now I want to create a new slide. So I'm going to pick a new slide and I'm going to click on Layout. And let's click on Comparison because I want to show what my company can do for this project. So Company A, we could talk about. And you click on, if you see here, there's different options for you. You could say now, later. You don't have to stick to a certain text size or box. You can insert a chart. You can insert a table, graphics. There's a variety of options that are available to you in a templated version. Now we're going to add a new slide. And you can even add a blank one. If you can see here, it's blank. There's not a text box here or a image of any sort, but your background's already completed for you. Now, before we move any further, we're going to go back to File, Save As. We're going to save this. We're going to save our presentation on the desktop. And while we already have a blank presentation, we're going to say Company A template because you are using a templated presentation. And we're going to save. So you've already saved your file and it is a templated presentation. Please note that you can change the colors and the look of this presentation. So let's go to the first slide. So you have a template version and you may not be okay with the design that you've picked. So we're going to head over to Design. And if you see here, you have a variety of options. You can click here, 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 if you like a little paisley print. And if you click the arrow here, you have a good number of boxes or presentations you can use from. So I like purple, so we're going to go with purple. Now if you see here, Slide 1, Slide 2, and Slide 3 automatically changed to the theme that you picked. The beauty of PowerPoint is that once you pick a template, you can always change it to something that fits your needs. You're not restricted to a specific template. And if you don't like purple, there's variants. So if you click on this arrow here, there's multiple options for you to pick. As you scroll over them, you see, if you notice in the background, the colors change. So we're going to go with Slipstream. Now that you've picked all your themes, if you notice here, you now have a brand new presentation. Something that's colorful and not so puzzle looking. Another option you have is to change your slide size. This is standard, which is normal, and there's widescreen. For this demonstration, we are going to stick to a standard slide, and you can always format your background in any PowerPoint presentation. You have options to make a solid fill, which is now a gradient. So let's just click on that. And if you notice, the colors change here. We're just going to stick to how it used to be. Just to review, you've created a templated presentation, and while you have picked one already, you can always change it by clicking on Design, selecting from your different options. If you notice, if you hover over them, they will change. And you can also change the different colors if you want. Now don't forget to save, and you are ready to go. This is how you create a presentation for a template.